here you are given the function of xy being the natural logarithm of 3x squared minus y squared minus 4x minus 2. You must find the f of 2, 1. And then find the domain for f of x, y. Now here, f of 2, 1. Remember, we have f of x, y being equal to ln of 3x squared minus y squared minus 4xy minus 2. Now 2 will be substituted for x. So wherever x is, remove it and put 2. So it's 3 times 2 square here. This is going to be 4 by 2. And then y will be replaced by 1. So this is 1 squared. This part is going to be, instead of 2 times y, now we have 2 times 1. Okay, good. So we have the natural logarithm of 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12. So we have 12 minus 1 squared is 1 minus 4 2's 8 minus 2 equal ln 12 minus, alright, so 12 minus 2, 12 minus 2 is 10, 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So ln 1. And what is the natural logarithm of 1? Let me see, using my calculator offline. Oh yeah, should remember. ln 1 is 0. Right? ln 1 is 0. In fact, the logarithm with any base of 1 is 0. But anyway, what is the domain of f of x, y? Now remember, the domain is the input. Okay? The output, you call it the range. Now with the domain being the input, you have to say you're finding the natural logarithm of a function. Is there any value that function cannot have? Now, if you find the logarithm of a small number, 0.0001 logarithm ln, right? So the ln of 0.001, you get a negative, right? If you find the ln, the natural log of 0.9, you get a negative that's close to 0. If you find the natural logarithm of 1, you get 0. If you find the logarithm of a number that is just above 1, 1.1, you get a positive. Okay. Now, can you find the logarithm of 0? Logarithm of 0 is, you get an error. Can you find the logarithm of a negative number? Logarithm of -2, you get error. So you cannot find the logarithm of 0 or anything below 0. So the thing is that f of xy cannot be 0 or negative, or you can say it cannot be 0 or less. No 0, nothing less than 0. It has to be more. So the domain of f of x, right? What happened is that here the 3x squared minus y squared 3x squared minus y squared minus 4xy minus 2 minus 4xy minus 2 must be greater than 0, right? It has to be greater than 0 in that case. Alright, so that's one statement there. So whatever value there are, when you put everything together, it has to be greater than 0. You could also fix it up a bit and say 3x squared minus y squared minus 4xy must be greater than 2 if you add 2 to both sides.